I know, like many of the few people are looking for to change your Facebook profile link. So this is very simple. I'm gonna teach you in a two minutes. This is a simple setting you need to go and edit on your Facebook profile. So I'll just share my screen and I'll just go to here and a Facebook profile. First I'll share you like how exactly your link will be there over in your profile. So you can see like the profile picture, like the profile link is some profile.php that equal to something is there, but it doesn't look like professional. We will make it in a simple way and we'll make it in a professional way. So this is look absolutely unprofessional URL, so we will make it in with a simple setting. We will change the URL completely. So before that you need to go to the settings, and I'll give you one more like bonus over in this video only. So that bonus is like very simple. So some few people want to change their username, so they're unable to change their username, which means that their page name they want to change it. So here in this two option you need to go to the page setup and click on the name. So click on the name and just click on view option. You will get general page settings. So in general page settings you have another two options called name and username. So in name you can change your page name. Let's say you if you want to change this page to some other page. Let's you created a page and you want to change to ABC official. So that is a kind of simple settings you need to change over here. So if you make one change and you need to be wait for 60 days, so that is you need to keep in mind and you need to do the settings. The second is like we need to change the URL. So here I am just adding my page name over here. You can see my page name is Today Learners. Let's say I'll just go to my page. So my page is Today Learners Official. I'll just copy my page name and I'm just pasting over here. So I'm just taking one more space, contains invalid characters. Let's say why it is coming invalid characters. We are added the capital letters over here. So you can see now the page name is changed to it is username is available. So that is what it is showing. So we need to click on the save changes. So that's it is done. It is very simple. Now we're just going to view how our page URL is look like. Just we are going to refresh this. You can see our page URL is changed on the top. So this is the settings we need to do in our Facebook pages, which is very mandatory. So if the profile link which is coming like php dot equal to, that looks like unprofessional. So if you make it like this way, this look a very exactly professional way. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.